Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this slanted blur with flash effect transitions to your edits in CapCut. So just add the clips that you want to edit, and first click on this transition box. Then go to the blur category and add the blur transitions for 0.2 seconds. Okay, 0.3 seconds, and then after that go to the video effect, opening and closing, and add the oblique blur effect, and put it in between clips like this. Now click on the effect object and choose all videos. Now add a keyframe at the start and set the blur to 0 and rotate 25. Now add the second keyframe in the middle in here and set the blur to 100 and leave the rotate as it is. And last keyframe, blur 0. Click on a check icon, and after that go to the overlay and add a white overlay from the stock videos. Okay, trim the overlay to only 0.5 or 0.4 seconds. Okay, and put it in between the clips like this, and go fit the size, go to blend and choose overlay. Now add a keyframe at the start, set the intensity to 0, in the middle to around 40, then last keyframe back to 0. And after that you are done. If you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps, but this is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.